Today I've brought a viral USA-based YouTube channel idea for you. These kinds of videos are going extremely viral on YouTube right now. Just look at this channel. They uploaded only 64 videos and already gained 319,000 subscribers. Their most popular videos have 248 million views, and they are earning in crores from YouTube. First, watch this video. Guys, I made this video in just 5 minutes, and that too 100% free. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create similar homemade interior or time-lapse videos, completely free. So don't miss any part of this video. Let's get started. Our first step is generating prompts. For this, open ChatGPT on your phone. I've pasted a prompt here. Friends, everything is mentioned in this prompt, through which you'll get both image and video prompts at the same time. You'll find this prompt in the description of my video, so you can copy it from there. Using this prompt, you can create prompts for anything, like rooms, kitchens, dining areas, and more. So I sent this prompt to ChatGPT, and as you can see, ChatGPT gave us 10 ideas. You can choose whichever one you want to make a video on. For example, I'll select the third one, a master bedroom interior. I'll type number 3 and send it. Now you can see ChatGPT has given us 4 image prompts along with their video prompts. Our image and video prompts are ready. Now comes the second step, text to image. For this, go to Google and search for Whisk Lab AI, then open the first website. First, sign up. This is a completely free image generator tool. Tap on Enter tool and the page will open. Paste your first image prompt here. I'll copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now select the image ratio. If you're making a long video, choose 16:9. I'm making a short video, so I'll choose 9:16. You can also add reference images here. Now tap on the arrow, and within a few moments, your images will be generated. You can generate unlimited images. This is 100% free. Choose the image you like. I'll select this one. Tap on it and download it. Done. Now paste the second prompt. I'll copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now we'll add the first image as a reference so the next image looks similar to the same room. Tap on Add Image, open the gallery, and select the image you downloaded. It's uploading now. Go back and tap on Generate again. You'll see the next image is created in the same style as the first room. Download one image from here as well. Now repeat the same process for the third prompt. Paste the third prompt. Tap on Add Image. Select the second image. Remove the previous one. Go back and generate again. Download one image from this as well. Do the same for the fourth image. Paste the fourth prompt. Tap on Add Image. Select the third image. Go back and generate. Now the fourth image is ready. Download one image. Now all our images are ready. The third step is image to video. For this, go to Google again and search for Google Flow, then open the first website. Sign up here as well. Tap on Generate with Flow, then tap on New Project. The interface will open. Tap on Text to Video, then select Frames to Video. Choose Portrait for the video ratio. Select one video, because you can create one video with 20 credits. You get 100 free credits every month. If you want to do everything completely free, you can also use Gawk AI, where you get sound effects and background music for free. Now import the first and second images. Tap on the plus icon, tap on Upload, and select the first image from your gallery. Tap on Crop and Save. The image will be added. Do the same for the second frame by uploading the second image and cropping and saving it. Now both images are added. Paste the first video prompt from ChatGPT, which is for image 1 and image 2. Tap on Generate. In a few moments, your video will be ready. The video is ready now. Tap on it and download it. Choose original size and the video will download. Let me play it for you. The video looks good, right? I'll tell you at the end how to make it full HD or 4K. Now let's make the next video. Tap on the plus icon again. Upload the second image, then tap on the second plus icon and upload the third image. crop, and save it. Now copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and tap on Generate. Your second video will be ready. Download it as well. You can see how good it turned out. Now we'll create the third video. Tap on the plus icon and import the third image. Tap on the second plus icon, upload the fourth image, and crop and save it. Copy the third video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Tap on Generate. Your third video will be ready. Download it. Now all our videos are ready. The fourth step is video editing. You can use VN Editor or CapCut. I'll use the InShot app. Import all the videos. To remove the watermark, tap on the canvas option and zoom in slightly. The watermark will be removed. Tap on the check mark and then Apply to All to remove the watermark from all videos at once. Now set the volume of all videos to full. Add background music. You'll find the name of the music in the video description, and you can download it from the YouTube audio library. I've added it. To make the video full HD, tap on the Effects option, then tap on Effects again. Scroll a bit sideways, tap on Stylize, and select the HDR option. The HD effect will be applied to the video. You can adjust its value. Apply this effect to the full video. If you want to increase or decrease the speed of the video clips, you can do that from the speed option. Now the video is ready. Save it to your phone. Tap on Export, select 4K, and tap on Export again. The video will start downloading. Now the video is downloaded. Let me play it for you. Friends, these types of videos are going very viral. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. See you in the next video.